This is what happens when you come out enduro training. Okay, welcome to Luis TV. Came to the usual meeting spot for single track riding, and Peter has done another thing. Now, earlier in the month, he brought this big old log over here so we can practice hopping over that. He brought a bunch of other stuff over here. He built this thing right there, and then he's got this thing right here. Two real close together, then another little one, and then this thing. Look at that. That's cool. If you build it, they will come. I'm gonna go grab my bike and try some of these new things out. Well, this is the perfect beginning to our ride. Oh my God, I looped it!
Enduro training.
This is what happens when you come out enduro training. So I'm fine. The bike basically just left me. I think the easiest way is to pull the handlebars.
Yeah.
I should be helping, but I'm over here filming instead. Yay! Well, so sad day, very sad day. I looped the bike and something happened, something broke on it. I don't know what it is, but the Kickstarter is stuck, so one of the gears is probably jammed. Yep. Wow, I broke the bike. So one of the nice things about the motorcycling community, everybody's real helpful with each other. Jay over here just said, go to my house and get my 350 and ride that. I was like, no, it's okay. I already broke one bike. I don't want to break somebody else's bike. Woohoo! He's gonna clear on the first try, dude. Watch this. All right, here it comes. He's gonna try the big log for the first time. Oh, almost. All right, second attempt. Here comes Jay. Oh, almost.
Awesome.
Almost.
This is what I think your problem is. The whole clutch basket, everything. This whole piece would have to come out.
And there's the legend himself, Gerry Coco, diagnosing the problem. If anyone can figure this out, it's this guy.
No, I don't do one of your little videos.
What? This whole thing is getting a video, Jerry.
He's gonna comb my hair.
All right, so parts for the Honda have finally arrived. They were held up for months at bikebandit.com. It was because one of the gaskets was back order and they wouldn't send everything until the whole order was put together. But we have it. We have all the parts. Gerry Coco's gonna have to do his magic now. All right, Jerry, thanks for the... There goes Gerry Coco. He's a little camera shy, so he doesn't want to be in the video. Okay, look at this thing. I gotta give Gerry Coco some props, man, because that guy is not a mechanic. He's an accountant, but he has the most brilliant engineering mind of anyone I have ever met. He just took the whole thing apart and put it back together without looking at a single diagram. I have no idea how he does it, but that man is brilliant. And that's why I have a Coco Racing sticker on there.